In this video, I want to give you an alternative to the escrow option, and that is something called a trust agent. And not only that, but I'll also give you a way to make money by helping people add trust to their Bitcoin transactions. How does this work? Well, precisely because there's a problem of trust to the escrow services. Sometimes an escrow trust agent who is a real human person who's deemed to be trustworthy by their prior trustworthy activity, which is a strong suggester that they'll have future honest activity. You can hire a person like that to oversee the transaction and to be kind of like a pseudo judge, right? Because you cannot get a real judge for this, so you get another intelligent, trustworthy, knowledgeable person. Now that's this service, bitrated.com. So you've got people who are trust rated in the Bitcoin world, and the way it works is you can explore who the people are rated, and we'll see here who the people are, the trust agents. Okay, you can scroll the trust agents. They have a trust score, and you can see the sites they've been verified, the jobs they've done, and so you can scroll them, and you can scroll, and oh, what a surprise! Who is this handsome guy? Oh, that's me, right here. You see that? Genadinik, that's me. And all I did to earn a 150 trust score is I verified myself on 15 websites, and I had a few people vouch for me, and right away I got to almost the very top of the trusted people here. You'll see also that there's a huge imbalance. There are some people that they have like a lot of people, like this person, Colin Crypto, has hundreds of people who have hired him, but this Bull person has 0. So you gotta, if you want to make money, like this is actually, you can make money. If you want to, for example, if somebody hires me, like you see, no one's hired me because I really literally just made this profile today. But if you want to make, if somebody hires me, you can set your rate. You can take a percentage of the transaction, and so you can make money that way by being a trust agent. And you can also hire trust agents so that they can oversee your transactions and add trust to the buying and selling process. Okay, so that's another way to add security and trust to your Bitcoin transactions.